I jump on the floor and it's getting nasty. He ain't keeping his hands up on my ass just.
Hey Jules, so for this video we're going to be installing this wig. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So the wig we're going to be installing is from Alipearl. This is their 5x5 deep wave closure wig. It was already made and I got it in the 180% density. It came with this wig cap, an elastic band, and this little silk bag to put the wig in. And then it also came with a care sheet with instructions on how to care for it and wash it. This wig does come with wig combs and adjustable straps in the back. I'm gonna go bleach my knots for this wig and I'll be back after I braid my hair down. So now that I'm freshly braided down and greased up, I'm going to be applying my wig cap. This is not the wig cap that came with the wig. This is a different one I bought from the hair store. This is in the color dark brown, I think. I'm going to spray my Got2b glue freezing spray onto my hairline where the wig closure will lay and let that dry a little bit. And I'm going to let that get a little tacky. So now that that's tacky, I'm going to put my wig on. And I'm also going to spray a little more Got2b on the hairline. And then we're going to wrap it up for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after I take off my scarf, I'm going to begin with cutting the lace. So I'm going to pull out the pieces of hair that I want to be my baby hairs. And then I'm going to wrap my hair using my silk spandex scarf. I am going to cut those baby hairs a little shorter so they won't be in the way as much. So I'm taking the scarf off. I'm going to be using an eyebrow razor to cut my lace. And the goal is to cut as close to the hairline as possible without cutting yourself, which is kind of hard to do. So after we have that all trimmed away, I'm going to spray some more Got2b glue to lay down the lace that lifted up while we were trimming. And we're going to tie her up again, this time for about 15 to 20 minutes. She is laid. Got the forehead looking real big though. I'm going to go over that with my powder I used to contour. It's giving very much Solange nose. Then we're gonna part our hair. So now I'm gonna lay my closure down with my hot comb, just so we can give scalp realness. Next, I'm taking my Jackie's wax stick and I'm just gonna apply that. A scalp beach, okay. So now we're gonna begin with cutting our baby hairs. I'm gonna be using my eyebrow razor to trim my baby hairs downwards at an angle so that it won't be as choppy. And then I'm going to be using my Tropical Roots styling foam to just style those into place. And then I'm going to repeat those onto my other two pieces of baby hair. And then we're going to tie her up again. Third time is the charm, honey. Now we're just going to spray our hair with water. This is plain water, no conditioner in here. After we've gotten our hair wet for the most part, I'm going to take my Tropical Roots styling foam and I'm going to run that throughout all the strands of the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and my diffuser just to dry it, but keep the curls still intact. And honey, she is ready. Yes. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below what you guys would love to see next. Bye, Jules.